Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Dietary Modification. Hope you all are well. I want to say that first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, mention me in the comment if you want to know about any other diseases with medical nutrition therapy. Mention me in the comment, and I have a contact number mentioned in the comment as well. Please contact me on this number for the medical nutrition therapy and the diet plan. Now move towards the topic. Today I have a topic: chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is the gradual loss of the kidney function in which the fluid balances and the electrolyte balances of the body is disturbed just because of the chronic kidney disease and wastage to build up in the body. Chronic kidney disease can also cause other health problems. These are the two pictures of the chronic kidney disease. In the first picture, you can see that there is the normal and healthy kidney. In the second picture, you can easily see that there is the prone kidney just because of the chronic kidney problem. In the second picture, we can easily see that there is a kidney size is reduced just because of the chronic kidney disease. These are the course outline of the chronic kidney disease, in which I covered definition, facts, stages, symptoms, causes, risk factors, complications, medical nutrition therapy. These are some facts about the chronic kidney disease. Because of the chronic kidney disease is prevailing nowadays in all over the world, in which the first one I covered that this is the 37 million American adults which are very prone to chronic kidney disease. Heart diseases, hypertension and the diabetic issues are increasing day by day just because of the chronic kidney disease problem. And the chronic kidney disease, people are more affected to these diseases like heart diseases, hypertension and diabetes. African Americans, Hispanics, Pacific Islanders, American Indians and seniors are at increased risk of this disease. These are the stages of the chronic kidney disease with glomerular filtration rate, in which the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3A and 3B, stage 4 and stage 5. In the stage 1, there is the mild kidney damage and the glomerular filtration rate is 90 or higher. In the second, you can see that there is the stage 2 chronic kidney disease, in which mild loss of kidney function and the glomerular filtration rate is 60 to 89. In the 3A and 3B stage of chronic kidney disease, in which the mild to severe loss of kidney function and the glomerular filtration rate is 30 to 59. In the stage 4 chronic kidney disease, severe loss of kidney function and the glomerular filtration rate is 15 to 29. In the stage 5, we can easily see that kidney failure and stage of the kidney function and the glomerular filtration rate is less than 15. These are the symptoms of the chronic kidney disease, in which I covered tiredness, buildup of toxins and impurities in the blood, dry and itchy skin, the mineral and bone disease that often accompanies advanced kidney disease. In the third, blood in your urine, which is very prevalent nowadays in the all over the world. Damage of kidneys, filters and blood cells leak out in the urine. Muscles are cramping because of the electrolyte imbalances. Muscles are cramping. Ankles and feet are swollen because of the decreased kidney function can lead to sodium retention. That's why ankles and feet are swollen. These are the pictures of the symptoms of chronic kidney disease, in which you can easily see that it is the itchy skin, nausea, back pain, fever, belly pain and the increased urination. Kidney disease patients are more prone to these diseases, and these are the causes of the chronic kidney disease, in which the diabetes and hypertension are on high risk. In the diabetes, a healthy kidney doesn't let albumin pass from the blood into the urine. That's why the diabetic kidney disease developed in the patients is the medical term for kidney disease caused by diabetes. Hypertension, high blood pressure can damage blood vessels in the kidneys because of the electrolyte and fluid imbalances are disturbed. Other causes include genetic disorders just because of the polycystic kidney disease, and infection disorder in which the body's immune system attacks its own cells and organs, such as anti-GBM, Goodpaster's disease. These are the inflammation of the body. Heavy metal poisoning such as lead poisoning, NIH. Rare genetic conditions such as Alport syndromes, hemolytic uremic syndrome in children, IgA vasculitis, and renal artery stenosis. Kidney disease, in which the blood and urine test have to diagnose the chronic kidney disease, in which the stages of the kidney levels are checked in the blood and urine test. These are the risk factors of the chronic kidney disease, in which the urinary tract infection. During the urinary tract infection, there is the chronic urinary tract obstruction. In the systemic medical disorders, increase the risk of kidney damage and the chronic urinary tract obstruction causes. This is the medical nutrition therapy of my video and main focus of my video, in which I covered protein, sodium, and many others nutrients. Protein. Protein is restricted in this disease just because of the kidney doesn't function properly. In the protein, higher protein intake induces hyperfiltration in the kidneys, so consuming a low protein diet for slowing chronic kidney disease progression. In the second, I covered sodium. Poor kidney function result in reduced sodium excretion in the urine. That's why the National Kidney Function recommends to the individual just to take less than 2300 milligram per day of sodium daily. These are some sources of low protein diet which you can easily see in the pictures. Now move towards the potassium and phosphorus. The ability to clear excess potassium and phosphorus is affected. That's why the low potassium foods are recommended. Alkalinity of diet. Increased intake of fruits and vegetables also are encouraged to boost alkalinity, which are present in green fresh vegetables. And the gut health is also the important factor in the chronic kidney disease. These are the some pictures of the and some names of the low potassium foods. Move towards the micronutrients. These two micronutrients are important factor in the chronic kidney disease patients. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is needed for the health of the bones as well as the chronic kidney disease. And the iron supplements are also the necessity of the chronic kidney disease patients. Other nutrients include vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B6 and B12, vitamin E, zinc and magnesium are also the important factor for the chronic kidney disease patients, and these are some food sources of these all micronutrients. Supplements. These are the supplements for the chronic kidney disease patients, in which the Pro Renal Plus D for the vitamin D deficient people, and the Cardiamin for the heart diseases people, and the Nephri-White for the veins defected peoples. In the end, please like and subscribe my channel, and also mention me in the comment if you have any query. Thank you.